Hello everybody. So some people were asking how we can create an infographic. So this is the website. It's called pictochart.com and I've been using it for a long while, maybe like 10 years. And I wanted to create my infographic using this website because it is 100% free and it is so easy to use. So for this assignment specifically, I wanted to create this infographic and I wanted to call it Owner's Cafe. And the prompt questions were written here on top, and then I wanted to talk about the journal data. So you can see an image of my coffee maker. I honestly have 3 different coffee makers, so this one is used with pods, and I also have typical everyday use of coffee makers, so that the ones that you are most familiar with. And for the data tracking, actually, I want to keep a journal, and you can see my journal entries here. It shows you how I keep track of my data. So on Saturday morning, I took my whiteboard in my room and I started telling the names Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, anyways, and I want to create icons at the bottom. So each day, whenever I had a drink or beverage, I wanted to actually put an icon next to it. So you can see on Saturday I started with water, then I continued with tea, and then I drank another liter of water, then I drank some soda, and then in the evening or at night I drank some water. And on Sunday I started my day drinking with some soda. That's so unfortunate, right? So it's unhealthy. And so the data actually that I keep track here shows that water is champion, and I wanted to show you the percentages, but like it's no surprise, actually water is going to be the most commonly used beverage, and it's not even like beverage, maybe I should just call it liquid. And soda is actually in the second place. So I want to talk about why I drink soda that much. I like sweet things, so like instead of eating lots of cakes and like chocolate, I wanted to have some soda, but actually no sugar soda. So like I just have some soda, and like it kind of like limits my daily sugar intake. And coffee is surprisingly in the third place. I wouldn't really expect that, but I think it's because of summer I'm drinking less coffee because I have a more flexible schedule and I do not need to feel awake because I'm not taking 3 courses. And finally, I'm drinking tea, and maybe I should drink tea a little bit more. Maybe tea should be in the second place instead of soda. That is my takeaway, actually. And what else? So I also want to talk about a little bit of what I have just said about tea, soda, coffee, and tea. And I put this kind of information in the second place. And overall, this is how I wanted to describe my beverage week this week. So I save it, then I download it, and then I put it in my Wakelet folder. Thank you very much.